How to delete a message for everyone in Telegram. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to make sure that your Telegram app is up to date. To ensure it, open up your Play Store first and foremost. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Telegram. Tap on the app. If there is an update, you need to leave it for an update. If not, tap Open. Now select the conversation that you want to remove. In order to delete your chat, all you have to do is press and hold onto your chat. At the top, you will see a delete icon. Select on it. Tap on Also Delete For. Then select the option of Delete. Once you do that, the message will be deleted for everyone. Now, if you do not have this option or are you facing any of the bug, follow this next step. Exit from Telegram. Press and hold onto your app. Head to App Info. Force stop it. Tap OK. Go to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection to assure that your Wi-Fi is acting up well, so that the message is deleted in your first try. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.